I'm on a rail trail again, which is very, very familiar to me, but that's kind of where all the familiarity stops. For a start, the bike isn't what I'm used to, and also I'm not in Canada. Nope, I'm in England. To be more precise, I'm actually in Suffolk, which is a county about an hour north of London by train. And as you can see, it is a very, very rural county. Very agriculture rich, both livestock and crops, like I have in front of me at the moment. The county does have some fairly big towns, but mostly it's a lot of small villages dotted around the countryside. And my parents live in a town called Hadley, which has a population of just over 8,000. I'll put the exact figure down below here. They moved here about 20 years after I left home, so I'm not totally familiar with the area, but I've got a fair idea of the direction I'm going in. So I just kind of enjoy rolling around the countryside and around these tiny little lanes and sort of getting half lost and just really enjoying myself. And although it's not the hilliest of counties, there are enough hills to make riding around here a bit of a challenge. Look at this is really cool. I guess most people now have cell phones, so they've repurposed this as a location for a defibrillator. You'll notice there are a lot of houses around here painted pink, and traditionally that is because the wash that they use on the houses was mixed with, among other things, pig's blood. And now a lot of people still keep their houses pink, but I'm sure that Dulux is probably supplying the colour, and it has nothing to do with poor little piggies. Day. It was nice and sunny earlier. Now it's clouded over and I'm just beginning to get a few spots of rain, but nothing too bad at the moment. It's really coming down now, but if you'll excuse the awful pun, it's not enough to dampen my spirits. Oh. Yeah, that sounded much better in my head. You know what though? It wouldn't be England without rain. I'm probably wet enough now, so I'm going to start making my way back towards home base. But boy, this has been such a great ride.